Hi folks, just sitting in the sun. I've planted loads of veg, potatoes, leeks, beans, basil, tomatoes. I'm going to try cucumber this year, growing that separate from the tomatoes. Lots and lots of flowers. All the roses in the garden are blooming. We're doing permaculture, so we are planting beans in amongst the flowers, so we're mixing in marigolds which keep the pests away. We've also got beetroot and courgettes. We've tried courgettes in a planting bed and also in big pots. We've got pak choi, and we've also got all the herbs you can think of. So we're really packing it in planting beds and pots, and in amongst the existing shrubs and flowers, so all the pollinators will be around all our food. And it's been absolutely fantastic weather the last week or so, lots of sunshine, a little bit of rain the last night or two, which was really cold. It's been very strange weather. And then one evening we had a thunderstorm in the south and sunshine straight out of our window, which was bizarre, really bizarre. So yeah, do the gardening, do the growing, and just enjoy it all. And all the birds have got fledglings, so we're helping to feed them as well. Don't know if we're supposed to or not, but we're doing it anyway. Okay, it's our garden. All right, love and peace. Namaste.